The aim of this focus bridging game is to focus on the next thing and let go of the last thing. Stay in rhythm and it'll make sense. Start by focusing on the feeling in your hands, just the tingling sensation without even looking. Just feel them. And feel the feeling in your feet at the same time, your hands and your feet. And now let go of your hands and feel just your feet and the top of your head. And now feel just the top of your head and one sound in the room, just one. And now listen to that one sound and feel your elbows at the same time. And now just feel your elbows and your knees. And just feel your knees and the tip of your nostrils with the breath going in and out. And now just feel the breath at the tip of the nostrils and the tips of the big toes. And now just feel the tips of the big toes and the tips of the index fingers. And now just feel the tips of the index fingers and all the sounds in the room at the same time. And now hear all the sounds and see everything in your peripheral vision without moving your eyes. And now see everything in the peripheral vision and feel everything in the body head to toe with your instincts. And see if you can turn the volume of detail up on that, seeing everything, feeling the whole body head to toe with the breath in a relaxed way. See if you can stay locked in for another moment, calm and focused, vision and body. And now take a deep, slow breath in. Relax your muscles on the way out. Notice any shift in your focus and presence in a very short time using that focus bridging game. And play again when you feel like it would be helpful. Sub to this channel for more.